If you're in the market for a mid-range device that is powerful and has support for 5G, the Tecno Camon 20 Pro is the device to look at. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you why. So make we talk, Charlie. The Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G is the latest mid-range device from Tecno Mobile. It's actually a proud member for the Camon 20 series, which comes in 4 different variants. The Camon 20 Pro 5G boasts of some impressive features, which include 120Hz refresh rate, an FHD Plus AMOLED display, 64 megapixel optical image stabilization RGBW lens on this device, with 8GB of RAM, which could be boosted with the help of memory fusion to up to 16GB, and many more, which I'll be covering in this video. But these are some of the interesting specifications you'd find on the device if you plan on purchasing it. Before we delve into these specifications, let's look at what you get in the box if you're unboxing the device. You're greeted with a device, a 33-watt fast charger brick, which comes with a USB Type-C to Type-A cable connectivity, and then you get the earphones. Tecno was kind enough to add those in the box, the warranty card, and a very beautiful hard showcase, which is nice to see or to have on the device. There are 2 storage variants for this device, the 128GB of internal storage and 256GB of internal storage. What I have here is 256GB of internal storage coupled with 8GB of RAM. To begin with, the device is super fast. Right out of the box, the refresh rate is toggled on 120Hz, which gives you a very fluid experience with the user interface. But let's not rush into things. Let's look at the build and design. Tecno calls the leather finish at the rear side of this device the magic skin. It actually feels very premium and gives the device that premium feel and design. You could spot a triple camera setup with one of the lenses embedded right in the flash, which is known as the ring quad flash. Now these cameras are resting perfectly on something Tecno calls the nano crystalline ceramic build. Now this has a very glossy look, so be mindful of fingerprint smudges on this. The phone's frame is made up of an aluminum frame, which adds a premium touch to the design and feel. There is the support for 2 nano SIM cards and an expandable storage of up to 1TB as well. Volume rocker buttons, power buttons, and their normal positions like they do on all their devices. This device has support for stereo speakers. There's a speaker up top and a speaker at the bottom, and also has 2 microphones on the device as well. The display packs a 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, which has a refresh rate of 120Hz, like I stated earlier. The 1080p resolution paired with the AMOLED display on this device makes the display very sharp and vibrant. And it doesn't end there, it actually makes color reproduction accurate. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a very fluid user experience, as it ensures very smooth scrolling when navigating through the user interface of the device. So on the display, we can find or locate the punch hole design on this device, which houses the 32 megapixel front-facing selfie camera. At the bottom of the display is where you'd find the under-display fingerprint scanner. And the only part about this that I really don't like is the fact that it's on a very lower side of the device, and it's something I'm not really used to. But it's quite fast, efficient, and very reliable. The powerhouse on this amazing device is the MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset. This is a 5G chipset and hence the 5G variant. Now in our part of the world, we don't have 5G yet, but this actually future-proofs you in case 5G ever comes to Ghana. The MediaTek Dimensity 8050 chipset is actually paired with 8GB of RAM, which I've stated earlier could be boosted to 16GB with the help of memory fusion. And with this combination, you are going to experience a lag-free experience with multitasking, as it also handles everyday tasks with ease and produces a very snappy performance. In terms of gaming, the Camon 20 Pro 5G handles gaming perfectly. I've played high-end games like Call of Duty Mobile, and I noticed little to no lag when playing games on this device. Also, if you get to know, here are some of the settings of my gameplay on Call of Duty Mobile. When it comes to software, The device comes with iOS 13 based on Android 13, and you know, as usual, we can't do away with bloatware, but this time it's quite minimal, and the ones there could be uninstalled, or notifications from ones that disturb you could be turned off if you know your way around the operating system. You also get a good selection of customization options and features on the device. Let's look at cameras, my favorite part about this device. The main camera on this device is a 64 megapixel RGBW lens with optical image stabilization. Now, in layman terms, what this basically means is you are going to be able to take videos with this device without experiencing shakes or lags. Now, whilst I'm talking, I'll be demonstrating how it looks like in the video so that you see how the performance of the cameras look like when you have that anti-shake mode turned on. RGBW sensor basically helps to improve color reproduction and dark light photography capabilities. So it makes the images much more brighter and sharper in general. There are various shooting modes on the device, and some of which include slow motion. That's a shot at maximum 120 FPS. There is also AI cam, which takes very great pictures based on artificial intelligence. The device has support for HDR videos, and you are also able to take images in portrait mode. There is a feature also known as super night mode, which enhances low light photography or videography. The front-facing camera is a 32 megapixel camera that offers excellent performance on the device. Images captured are well exposed and sharp with some good high dynamic range. Video on the selfie camera can be recorded at max 2K 30 FPS and as low as 720p 30 FPS. So this is a video footage from the front facing camera of the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G. It's a 32 megapixel lens, and I like the fact that HDR is on point, the greens are okay behind me. My skin tone though looks slightly smoothened up. Also, let me know how my audio sounds from this video and share your thoughts in the comment section, and we go talk more channel. Videos on the rear facing camera can be recorded at max 4K 30 FPS and as low as 720p 30 FPS. Video quality is decent, and as stated earlier, the sensor shift optical image stabilization feature on the lens ensures steady footage when recording videos in handheld mode. Now let's talk about battery, which is basically the powerhouse of this device. It comes with 5000 mAh battery capacity, and if you're somebody who doesn't use the device too much, on average usage, it should last a full day on a single charge. The battery is actually excellent. I haven't charged it ever since I got the device, and it still is around 85% as to when I was recording this video. Now, not forgetting, they add a 33 watt fast charger brick in the box for you, so you're able to juice or top up your battery within a matter of 1 hour 20 minutes if your battery is from 0% to 100%. So this has been my review. Let me know what you think about the device in the comment section, and as always, we go talk more, Charlie.